Good morning, everybody. It is Thursday. I'm just trying to set the camera up so that you can see me changing the babies today. Changing all of them today for, it was a requested video for a changing video of all the babies. And somebody else a while ago, I know it's been a couple of months that you've been waiting for this one, but an updated playlist of all the babies, an updated video I mean of all the babies. And I did one of those, I think it was in January or the end of December or beginning of January, and of course that included Eli King. So it's the end of May now, and I'm going to do this updated one and change little Leo because it has got a bit chilly here these last few days, so I'm going to change the whole lot of them into something else that makes them look a bit warmer. And I'm going to a doll show next month, so there may be another addition to the nursery because we do have a spare spot. And Millie is here. This is my bed in my bedroom. This is Millie. Not feeling 100%, so I thought I'd use today to change the babies, because changing the babies always makes me smile. And I'm going to sit here, and I'm hoping you're going to see me better than when I did a video like this before. But what you might not be able to do is hear me talking, because the camera's quite far away. It's about probably just over a metre away, so it's not that good to be able to hear me. Oh, you're lying on my iPad. So what I'm going to do is just change them to music because of the you won't be able to hear me, and then we'll talk afterwards. I hope that's okay. Thank you for watching. Okay, so here's my little baby Leo. He's all done for Theme Thursday. Birds! And if you look, there's Paddington Bear. But on the post box is a pigeon. I'm really pleased. He looks a lot more cozier now. Wrapped him up in his blanket, and I'll put him back in his bed. It's a bit dark. There we go. Baby number 2 is Harry. I've got my thoughts on, and my leggies are gold. He keeps pushing off the covers. And here's Harry. You poking your feet in the air. Are you poking your feet in the air, hey? Hey. You took that dummy out once, have you? He says, no. No, I don't want to take the dummy out. Thank you very much. Harry is wearing a vintage Peter Rabbit romper. It's got 2 pictures of Peter Rabbit's, parts of Peter Rabbit's books, and some of the wording on it. And on one of the pictures, I think it's only one, there are birds. Yes, on one of the pictures, this is a very popular one of Peter Rabbit with the spade and the robin sat on the spade. That's a very popular picture, and you can get an ornament that looks like this. You can get all sorts of artwork that has this picture on, and all sorts of collectibles. Yay, boy, that's you ready. And the next person to feast your eyes upon, folks, is Heidi. Look at her. She actually has had this little bunny and rabbit romper on for a few days. That's it, my girl. A nice big smile for the camera. I'm not too sure about the booties. Maybe I ought to go with the cardigan that matches the booties. Hey, maybe we ought to go with that cardigan. Pull it down a little bit. Say, look, it's so pretty. It's got pretend little flowers here. I bought this in a thrifty haul, so I'm not sure if you remember that, from our local shop that sells your stuff for you. It's got birds on, lovely. What are they, parrots? Parakeets? They're so cute. It's lovely. It's coming off, I think the colour is true to how it is coming off. It's coral. But it's got all sorts of colours in it, and it looks just perfect for Miss Smiler. It's just her kind of thing. So I was going to put, I had bought tights down. I bought a little pair of pink booties for her. But really, the only ones I think that will go with this are these. That's my floor squeaking, nothing else. I think that looks all right, doesn't it? I've got to try and keep it on an angle, otherwise I can't reach high enough to get it in, get her all in the screen. Look at her! She's a smiler and I love her! Woo! Okay, everybody, next up is Mr. Timothy! Yay! Okay, everybody, smile, Timothy. Smile for the camera. Come on. You don't want to smile. Let's see those big teeth. Let's see those big teeth. No? Okay, it's not working today, aunties. He's not working today. He doesn't want a cardigan on. He doesn't want a cardigan on. This boy gets hot anyway. And I've put socks on him because he's been on the floor playing in the nursery. But the socks are so low, look. Go all the way up. Like his leg goes all the way up here. His knee's here. Kiss his knee. They're supposed to be 0 to 6 months. I think they're a bit too big. These came from, I think they were really cheap, a pack of 5 or something, really cheap from eBay in different colours. Supposed to be 0 to 6, but they're from China, so of course their sizings aren't the same. I think they might mean 0 to 6 years. I don't know. The feet like fit okay. They fit okay in the feet. Anyway, you want to know what he's wearing, don't you? That goes with theme Thursday. There it is. Can you spot the birdie on the Peter Rabbit outfit? Yeah, there's a birdie there on top of all the carrot tops and the cabbages. And there's 3 birds there. Peter with the watering can, another very popular picture. Peter Rabbit embroidered. And so it's like a romper, a play romper. Short play romper, short legs, short sleeves, and a lovely collar. And no, you're still not smiling for your aunties. Okie dokie. Annie says, hi everybody, it's my turn. My turn. I took her clothes off and I've already changed her nappy. Hey, didn't we? We took your clothes off and we already changed your nappy, yeah? And get you changed into some warmer clothes? Yeah, okay. And there we go. There is my lovely Annabel. And I decided to put the vest on outside the leggings because the vest is so cute. And I didn't want to hide it. We did have a pair of yellow leggings, but they were like really bright yellow, so they looked really silly. So instead I put on these stripy leggings. And she's got socks on for a change. I'm not sure how long they'll last, but she was saying just now her feet were cold, hence why I kept the socks on. And I've put this really cute hand-knitted cream cardigan on with it. So the vest, here we go. The vest, you good girl, showing everybody your vest. It's got geese on it. Look at the little geese. How often do you find that? Not very often. And in fact, I bought a pack of 3. Yeah, I see you. When I went with Annie, when I had just a week with Annie, I bought a pack of 3 Lily and Jack's for $3.99 in a discount shopping area called Trago Mills. They were a pack of 3, and she's had the other one on, and so I thought I'd put this one on because this is great for Theme Thursday this week. Yay, I see you. I see you, cute stuff. I think Lily and Jack is a Walmart brand. Okay, so next up is Frankie. Frankie didn't want anybody to watch her getting changed, and I'm sure nobody on here would mind that, would they? No, of course not. Frankie is wearing a dress from Auntie Deirdre in Ireland, and it's got pink flamingos on it. I'll come up a bit closer so you can see. Look at that. We had that in Happy Mail from Auntie Deirdre. So it's like a pinky colour background, true to colour. It's got palm leaves and leaves all over it, and pink and white flowers and flamingos. How cute are they? So Frankie put in some white earrings and her little pink headband. There's her white earrings. And she's got her leggings on because she said her legs were cold, and white socks. And a white cardigan. So there you go, my love. Hey? Lizzy is busy cuddling a penguin. So I was literally just going to change Lizzy and just show you her outfit after. But I know that some of you wouldn't have seen her body if you haven't watched previous changing videos of Lizzy's. So I'm going to show you her body. I want this, you little cheeky girl. You can have it in a minute. So this is Lizzie's body. I don't put a nappy on Lizzie. Lizzie, you're a big girl at the nursery, aren't you? Hey. She, yep, I am. And she doesn't have any knickers either at the moment. But, yeah, so this is Lizzie. Lizzie, you got a treat today. We'll get you half dressed and then we've got a package for you to look at. Woo-hoo-hoo! Remember this? Do you remember this? Lizzie doesn't remember this because Lizzie has no idea what's going on right now. We got Happy Mail, and last Thursday I started to open the Happy Mail when I read the card, and the card, sorry Millie, Millie's like that, look at her. Dog alert, dog alert, wait, you get on Mum's special pillow. Dog alert, you stay on, she is on her blanket to be fair. And I've put my pillow down there and she's like, oh, Mum's pillow, how lovely. Do your dogs do that? Hey, hey. Anything that's like Mum's, even your kids, they just want it, don't they? Won't eat their own dinner, but they'll eat Mum's, which is exactly the same. Anyway, Lizzie, yeah, Lizzie says, look, come on, this is exciting. Anyway, so this came for you in the post, Lizzie. I don't know if you saw my address. This came in the post for you, and let's have a look then, shall we? Sorry, you're not going to be able to see her, but it came in this lovely green tissue paper, and it was pink, and I kind of had a sneak peek because I wanted to have a sneak peek because I couldn't resist, but I got no further than that. I thought it might be something vintage though, because having you on knows how much I love vintage. And it is. Look at that. Lizzie's like, oh, I can't see it. Sorry, Lizzie. Whoop, there we go. It's a pink dress, pinafore dress. It is very, very, oh, I thought it was corduroy. It's a material that is like corduroy. I'm not quite sure what that material is. Seersucker? I'm not sure. It's got a petticoat underneath. It's bright pink. It's got white and pink. Yeah, you like those bits. Straps at the top. In little eyelets. And around the neck it is white. And it's got a little boat on it, which is perfect for searching for penguins. Beep, beep. You can go on boat trips, can't you? Especially if you go to the Falklands, you can go on boat trips. So, I'll bring it up closer so you can see it. Look at that neckline. Isn't that gorgeous? How the how the shoulder straps have been made into a bow on this side as well. And then you've got little eyelets in there. And there's the little boat on it. And I don't know if you can see the material, but it's a kind of like seersucker material, I think. So it's a tight bodice with a full skirt, completely lined. It's from Janie and Jack. So maybe it's not vintage, it's just a vintage style. Janie and Jack. Shell is 100% cotton. So that is cotton, and it does have a cotton lining on it. Wow, Lizzie doodah, let's get this on you and see what you're going to look like. Look at her. She looks so cute, Yvonne. You're right. It's absolutely perfect for her. And there we go, Auntie Yvonne. Without the obligatory bird for Theme Thursday. Just wanted you to see how absolutely adorable she looks. It is so pretty on her. Oh, Lizzy, you look adorable. Look at your bright, shining eyes. Look at that dress. Thank you so much to everybody who sends us something. Everybody who thinks about us. Everybody who watches. Look at all the animals. All the animals on Mummy's bed are watching you. Yes, they are. Wow, they're saying, look at that pretty girl. Who's that pretty girl walking on by? It's Lizzy. Yes, it is. It's Lizzy. Oh, thank you very much for everybody for watching Theme Thursday this week, which is either birds or outer space. Well, I think Lizzy is out of this world. Bye.